you guys. So today I wanted to jump on here and show you all how to make a quick pot of chicken and dumplings. Little shortcuts, and yes, I make them homemade all the time, but when you're in a hurry and you just want to make a pot without being in the kitchen all day, there's little tricks to it. And so I got a friend that has been wanting me to fix her chicken and dumplings. So today I stopped at Kroger and they had the rotisserie chickens for $3. Yes, I grabbed them. So I'm going to show you guys how to use them and make a great pot of chicken and dumplings without being in here all day. So I've prepped everything. Let me show you what we got. So I took the rotisserie chicken and I've shredded it. It's over here. This is all the bones, and you just cover your bones with water and you just let them boil so you get that good rich broth. Okay, now that it's boiling, it's been boiling for a while, but we're just going to take that and we're going to strain it. Splash it everywhere, but that's all right. Strain it because we don't want no little bones in there. You get the most out of your chicken too. You get your chicken in the broth. Let's slide that broth back over. Okay, then instead of mixing up a mixture, like I said, this is for a shortcut. So I buy Kroger biscuits, the jumbo biscuits. You want to just pinch them off. I get about 4 out of one big biscuit. And you don't want the flaky layer biscuits. You don't want real buttery biscuits. You just want the cheap country biscuits. Pinch them apart. Probably about 4 big dumplings out of them. And listen, I've made this for, if I'm in a hurry to go somewhere and I've made it, they don't have a problem that they're not homemade. So, here we go. Just pile them in on top of each other. You want to do this part kind of fast because you want all your dumplings to get done around the same time. And for this pot, I've got 2 big cans, 2 big jumbo cans. Now if you want to make homemade, like I said, I do all the time. I just mix them up just like I'm making homemade biscuits and drop them down in there. But this is a shortcut. And then, now I don't stir my dumplings. I just push them down in there. Now, can you all see that? So, we're just going to let them boil probably 5 minutes. And I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, here is what our dumplings are looking like. That's been about 5 minutes boiling. So, now what you're going to do is we're going to add in our chicken. We're going to add in a stick of butter. We're going to add in a can of cream of chicken soup. Some people put that in there, some people don't, but when on this recipe, I do. It just makes it big and creamy. Lots of pepper. You notice I opened that lid because I knew I'm going to put a lot of pepper in there, a lot of salt. Well, actually not a lot of salt, but a lot of pepper. Sorry. All right, now I'm just going to lift them up, let all that mix in together. You're still not mixing, you're just kind of lifting them up. Then you just turn your stove off, just let them sit a few minutes. Honey, you're done. There you have it. Big old pot of chicken and dumplings. It takes you about 20 minutes in the kitchen. So we'll turn it off and hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.